Hi everyone, welcome back to our rural marketing class. In the last class, we have discussed about brand loyalty, the meaning of brand and brand loyalty, and also what are the factors that are influencing this brand loyalty. We have discussed in the last class. So, once again, I'll just show you what we have discussed. The meaning of brand we have discussed here, and brand loyalty meaning and the concept of brand loyalty also we have discussed in various presentations, and also what are the factors that are actually influencing this brand loyalty. Various factors like brand name is one factor, and product quality, price, style, store environment, and also we have discussed about how the promotional factors are also affecting this brand loyalty or influencing this brand loyalty. And it is also important the service quality also influence the brand loyalty, because based on the service quality also the customers determine or decide whether to be loyal to the particular brand or not. The service quality is about how the personal interactions go through between the salespeople and the buyer or the potential buyer. So while any interactions between these two groups, the customer all the time measures how do they deliver the service. So depending on that also the customer might decide whether to be loyal towards the brand or not, right? So usually the relationships between the salespeople and the customers or consumers should be aimed at long-term relationships. So if they'll have the long-term relationship, that means they are loyal to the salespeople, means of course they are loyal to the brand also. So these are the things that we have discussed in the last class, right? And today we will discuss what are the different ways to develop the brand loyalty. How to develop the brand loyalty, how to make the customers to be loyal towards our brand. That is what we are discussing today, right? We want the customer to be loyal with us. We want the customer to frequently purchase the same brand, which is our brand. We want the customers to all the time prefer our brand only. We don't want them to shift their brands. For that, what the organization should do, that is what this concept, right? Ways to develop a brand loyalty, and what are the different steps that can be taken by the organization to achieve this brand loyalty. Clear what is the concept, right? So what the organization can do or should do to achieve this brand loyalty: first, deliver the experiences that customers remember. Deliver the experiences that customer can remember. All the time customer should remember that what we are doing for them. Customers should feel like, we are delivering them the maximum service. We are delivering them with a very good quality product. They should remember it. We are actually advertising, we are actually spending a lot of money for advertising. That means we are actually promoting our product or brand even higher than any other competitions or more than any competitors. So such kind of things will make the customer to remember our brand. Technology has not only changed the buying power of consumers, it changed the way that how do they think and what do they expect from the product, right? The technology is actually making the customer to expect a lot of things from the products, lot of things from the organizations. Because how does it happen? Based because of this technology, the customers are letting know all the different functionalities of the same product, whatever are available in, overall in other countries also, and in overall the international markets, whatever the product is available, it is coming to know by each and every customer because of this technology. So when the customer knows like something is available in some other market, like something is available in America with the internet speed in India is very low, because actually what we are having here, what we had here earlier was 1 Mbps, 2 Mbps. It was very slow and slower, and later on actually we will have like 30 MB, and after inventing the 5G in India, we may have about 100 MB per second, 100 Mbps also speed we may have. But the customers, they know now, like what are the different service providers are actually offering with the different kinds of speeds in various other countries. In America, actually they'll have more than 200 or 300 Mbps. My God, so the customers also expect the same speed in India also, because earlier because of less technology or low development of technology, the people hadn't know about all these things. But now, because of this technological development, the customers are coming to know many number of things, and they are expecting such kind of additional features from the manufacturers or service providers also. By creating genuine, intimate brand engagements, customers feel more valued, and as a result bring more value to the brand. It should not be imitative product. Someone else actually manufacturing the product, so I will also copy the product and manufacture it so that I can sell in the market. It may not be successful strategy. The products should be genuine. It should not be any imitated product. And intimate brand engagements, that means intimate all the time, or do some kind of engagement activities with the customers. So actually we are showing them how much value we are giving to the customers. That actually makes the customers to remember about the brand. When they remember about the brand, when they remember something positive about the brand, actually definitely they'll become loyal to the brand. So that is one way of developing the brand loyalty. And wow the customers with relevancy, make them to say wow. That means show them something more than what you can give them, something what more than what we can actually. So recognizing customers at every stage of the buyer's journey allows the brands to offer customized and informative content, not just marketing messages or rewards, at appropriate times. At every stage of the buying, from the information search, need recognition, information search, and all the stages until post purchase evaluation. Recognize the customer and show them, like everywhere, show them what is the speciality of the brand. At the for example, at the time of information search, they should prefer this brand in the first place of the list in all the stages. That is why the organization should actually customize the content, and they should deliver the information of the content specifically to that customer, depending on actually what stage in the buying process he is. Actually, whether he is in the need recognition stage, show them with the promotion, for example advertising, for example air conditioner. In this hot summer, anyone cannot spend the time without AC in homes. So use this and make the customers who are in the need recognition stage to buy our product and to at least remember our brand. Yes, we need, or maybe some cool paints, this kind of things can be at the need recognition stage. And At the time of buying also, make them available our product everywhere. Asian Paints is available everywhere. So Berger Paints is also available. So even though because of heavy promotion of Asian Paints, the customers remember this brand Asian Paints, and because of many kind of advertisements also they remember this. So in all the stages, show them how we are different from others, and sending a post purchase message is also expected by the customers. Serving helpful information throughout the decision process is thoughtful. Personal relationship builds brand loyalty. Nowadays, what we can see is, if you are searching for any insurance policy online, definitely what they will do is, definitely they will prompt you to give your mobile number. Right? Once you give your mobile number, they will keep on calling you and ask like, sir, you have completed the one kind of form and we have to fill just one more form only. When you will finish that form, sir? Or sometimes maybe, sir, you have already filled all the documents but one sign is missing, can you please sign it and send it through? Such kind of information which is very helpful to the customers is actually making the customer to think like, okay, they are observing the status of my buying process. One second. So like this, the organization can actually make the customer to be loyal towards the brand. And another way is to reward at the right moment. Consumers can look elsewhere for immediate satisfaction if rewards get delayed. If any rewards to be given to the customers, it should be given on time. The customers are not at all ready to tolerate any delay in redemption of these rewards. There are many other competitors are awaiting actually to attract the customers. So the organization should not make any delays in providing these rewards, and no fake rewards are going to work out in these environments, in this competitive environment especially. So the genuine rewards at the right time should be provided to the customers, or else what will happen, they are ready to shift to the other brands. With a real-time customers identity solution, brands will know when members have taken action and can reward them with the right type of value at the just right time. Nowadays, if you observe, there are many recharge websites or maybe mobile applications like Freecharge and MobiKwik, and there are many number of other websites and applications are also there. Usually they offer with different kinds of reward points, reward money. Usually what do they say is, reward will be credited within 36 hours or 48 hours, but it will be credited within few minutes, because already they said like, okay, 48 hours we are ready to, actually we accepted that 48 hours of time also, but even though they are actually crediting that reward amount within few minutes. Why? Because they know if some other kind other competitors will give it within few minutes, where they are actually giving it exactly after 40 hours, then the customers will definitely shift to that other competitor. So that is why the organizations should focus on giving or providing the rewards at the right time when the customers are expecting. Right? That is the major element of keeping the brand loyalty to the customer. Loyalty programs give your customer reason to love you. Many, even credit cards also nowadays they are giving, even debit cards also they are giving the credit points to the customers, and even some kind of supermarkets are also giving loyal points like more supermarket, and very number of where actually we can actually get any amount instead of these points. Such kind of offers are being provided by many number of supermarkets also. So customers love such kind of rewards. Such kind of rewards can actually attract the customers, to regularly come to the store, to regularly purchase the same kind of product. Consumers can look elsewhere for immediate satisfaction if rewards get delayed, as we discussed. Right? So that is why the customer should all the time be provided with the right reward at the right time. And be current is one more way to develop this brand loyalty. Be current. What is the meaning of this one? At the at the time of teaching also, what we are doing is being current. That is why sometimes I've been using this example of Corona situation, right? So that is how actually the organization should also be like, be current, use the current information, use the current situation, right? Should be relevant to what is happening in the world, and what is happening in the business, what is happening in the industry. Lifebuoy, what they are using now. If you can see the advertising of Lifebuoy, what they are saying is Corona. Actually, the scientists are working for finding out this medicine for Corona, but till then, keep on using Lifebuoy to protect from Corona. That is how they are advertising. They are using this present situation. That is how actually the organization should be. Right? So the customers at this moment, okay, maybe the Lifebuoy will be the best soap to prevent Corona. Right? So once they actually buy this and they keep in their mind like this will be the best product to actually prevent any kind of viruses, they'll be loyal towards the product or no, right? So that is why be current. Why organizations should be current? Avoid repeating tired slogans or old marketing strategies just for the sake of having something to say. ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్పాలి కాబట్టి చెప్పడం కాదు. Because we need to say something, so you have to say no. Such kind of slogans are not going to work. Your customer is smarter than that, the present customer especially. So avoid these things. Prevent. There should be a slogan, so I'll keep a slogan under this. No, cannot be. Use the current situation and prepare your slogan. Then it will be successful, right? So that is how another way. And another way is to give your fans a voice. Your fans means here your customers. Those are actually your very important customers. Those who are coming to you only to purchase the products. Those who are purchasing only your products. We are calling them as fans. The loyal customers, right? So give them a voice means what? Give them a voice means let them talk with you. Allow them to talk with you. Right? Keep access to complain or keep access to advice about maybe the product or maybe about the services. If anything customers feel to complain, let them complain. They are the best feedbacks. The customer, they want to give an advice or they want to suggest something, they should have access for that. They may give some kind of website or email under or above any product. You can see now on any product we can see the email IDs for complaining or 1800 so and so toll free number also we can find it there. Because the customers, if they want to say something, let them. Because the regular customers actually they will be ready to advise the organization. If a customer may purchase it one time, he may not be ready to advise the organization. But if a customer is repeatedly purchasing and he feel any single problem, then he will be ready to complain, or he will be ready to advise the organization. Actually, I am expecting so and so from you. That is why I have been purchasing your product. But nowadays, I cannot see such quality in your product. Such kind of advices, because of any non-identifiable problems, sometimes it leads to loss of customers. So such kind of things we don't want to face. So let them talk. If they feel any problem, let them communicate with us. That is how actually it is important to keep the customer speak on, to keep the customer to interact with us, in order to keep them with us for the long time. For this, the organizations can do some surveys all the time. Why? The service enables the customers to speak with us. Actually, we are going to them. Are you satisfied with the product? If no, what are the things? If yes, right, what are the things that are actually making you to satisfied? So we are giving them a chance to speak with us. So that is why organizations should always do on some researches, do on some surveys. Marketers can increase the spend and engagement based on known preferences, or information based on brand's membership database or CRM system. Nowadays, many number of CRM packages are available in the market, so we can use them, which actually make us to interact with the customers, and which actually make the customers to interact with us. So such kind of CRM packages will be useful for us, and some membership database are also useful for us to understand about the customers' expectations, customers' tastes and preferences. So such kind of things actually are necessary in order to give the loyal customers a voice and make brand loyalty programs worth it. Apart from all of the things that what we have discussed, it is also important to do some brand loyalty programs sometimes or frequently. Even though we have given the access, even though we are actually we are making them to say wow at every stage of the buying process, but it is also necessary to make some brand loyalty programs. If people are going to take the time to sign up, log in and give brands their personal data, they want more than a membership program that rewards the highest spenders. Reward them something. If because until and unless we provide them we provide them some rewards, they will not be ready to give the personal data. Perhaps their shopping habits are seasonal, so time sensitive rewards are not compelling. Whatever, if we are for example, if we are doing a brand loyalty program, like we are organizing a sports activity in any area, right? So we have to spend some time for that. If we just want the customers to accompany with us for the long time without providing any rewards, without providing any such kind of program, they are not going to be with us for the long time. So all the time, all factors are very necessary for any organization in order to achieve this brand loyalty, right? I hope it is clear. Thank you.